If you're wondering how long you should hold a plank daily to see real results, you're not alone. The plank is often considered one of the best exercises for building core strength, improving posture, and toning the body. But there's a common misconception that holding a plank for minutes on end is the key to achieving a strong core. In reality, the answer is not as simple as just holding the plank for a long time. There are several factors that determine how long you should hold a plank to see the results you want, including your current fitness level, your goals, and how effectively you're performing the exercise. Let's break it down to give you a clear understanding of what works and why it works. First, it's essential to know that planking is not just about endurance. It's about quality over quantity. Holding a plank for too long, especially if you're not maintaining proper form, can do more harm than good. Many beginners start with the goal of holding a plank for a long period, perhaps thinking that the longer they hold it, the better the results will be. However, as you increase the duration, it can become harder to maintain good form. When your body starts to fatigue, your back may sag, your core might disengage, and your shoulders could shift out of position, making the exercise less effective and even leading to injury. So, before focusing on duration, it's crucial to focus on form and consistency. For beginners, it's advisable to start with a plank hold of 20 to 30 seconds. This short duration allows you to focus on perfecting your form, which is key to making the exercise effective. During this time, focus on engaging your core muscles, keeping your back straight, and avoiding any sagging in your hips. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase your plank duration, but it's important to increase it slowly. In the beginning, it's better to aim for multiple sets of shorter holds rather than pushing yourself to hold the plank for an extended period. 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds are a great starting point for beginners. As you build strength, you can increase the duration to 60 seconds per set, with 3 to 4 sets. Now, you might be wondering, what's the ideal amount of time to hold a plank for the best results? While there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, most fitness experts recommend aiming for at least 1 minute of plank holds for a strong core. However, the exact duration will depend on your individual fitness level. If you're just starting out, you may only be able to hold for 20 to 30 seconds, and that's perfectly fine. The key is consistency. Over time, you'll find that you can gradually increase the duration to 1 minute or more without compromising form. It's important to note that holding the plank for longer durations, say 3 minutes or more, doesn't necessarily mean you'll build a stronger core. In fact, studies suggest that after 60 seconds, the benefits of a longer plank hold start to diminish, and you may be engaging other muscles, like your arms and legs, more than your core, making it less effective. So, instead of holding a plank for 2 or 3 minutes, aim for shorter, high-quality sets with good form. For example, holding a plank for 60 seconds, followed by a short rest, and then repeating for 2 to 3 sets will be more effective than trying to hold one plank for several minutes. This approach will help you focus on building endurance in your core muscles without sacrificing form or risking injury. But let's take it a step further. If your goal is to see significant results in your core strength, planks alone won't be enough. While planks are an amazing exercise for engaging your abdominal muscles, they're most effective when combined with other core exercises. Consider incorporating side planks, leg lifts, Russian twists, and other exercises that target different areas of your core. This combination of exercises will help strengthen all parts of your core, not just your abs, giving you better posture, balance, and overall functional strength. It's also important to note that core training is just one piece of the puzzle. To achieve visible results, especially if you're looking for a flatter stomach or a six-pack, you'll need to complement your plank routine with a balanced diet, full-body workouts, and cardiovascular exercises. Reducing body fat through cardio and healthy eating will reveal the muscle definition you've worked so hard for. Consistency is where the magic happens. If you want to see noticeable results from planks, you need to do them regularly, ideally 3 to 5 times a week. This allows your muscles to adapt and grow stronger over time. Planking just once a week won't have the same effect as doing it consistently. Additionally, give your body time to rest and recover between sessions. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, burnout, and even injury, which can hinder your progress. Another important factor to consider is progress. As you get stronger, aim to gradually increase the duration of your plank holds. If you started with 30 seconds, aim for 45 seconds, then 60 seconds, and so on. You can also challenge yourself by incorporating different variations of the plank, such as the forearm plank, high plank, or plank with leg lifts, to increase the difficulty and work different muscle groups. In conclusion, how long should you hold a plank daily to see results? It depends on several factors, but the general guideline is to start with 20 to 30 seconds and aim for 1 to 2 minutes as your strength improves. Focus on maintaining perfect form, engage your core, and gradually increase your duration over time. It's not about how long you can hold a plank, it's about how well you do it and how consistently you train. Remember, planks are an excellent exercise for building core strength, but they need to be part of a well-rounded fitness routine that includes other core exercises, full-body workouts, and a healthy diet to get the best results. With consistency and proper technique, you'll see progress in no time, strengthening your core and improving your overall fitness.